Hello traders, today we're going to discuss NInja Trader 8.1. This is a new version of NInja Trader and it now includes a login screen, which previously it did not, to use NInja Trader, as well as the current clients at DayTradeToWin that want to upgrade to the NInja Trader 8.1. It's a little different, and so we're going to look at how we can do that. Now, after you've created an account with NInja Trader, you have to create a username and password. The problem that we're having, at least with a lot of traders that are emailing us, is how they could get the data feeds to work with different providers. So I'm going to show you a little tip on where that's located in order to turn that on. So I'm going to come in here and log in to NInja Trader. Now, once it loads up, what you're going to notice is that if you're migrating, or if you're coming from version 8, everything comes up exactly the same. It migrates all of the indicators and all of your charts, which is a really nice feature, so that's a good thing. We don't really have to worry about it. The problem that a lot of traders are having is finding these connections, because all you have is playback. So the way that we can turn these connections on is we're going to come here to Tools, and we're going to come here to Options, and there's a checkbox here that says multi-provider. So if we turn this off, let me just disconnect here. If we turn this off and we remove it, what happens is that it no longer is visible. So when you first load up NInja Trader, it's going to only show you this, playback or simulation. So you may ask yourself, how do I get to use CQG or another data feed or the Continuum data feed or whatever data feed that you want to use? How do we get this to even appear, because it's not even showing? And so again, we have to come here to Tools, we have to come to the Options tab and turn on the checkbox that says multi-provider. I would also recommend checkbox here, reopen all previous open workspaces at startup. This is something that I like to do. I like to have all my charts up. If you have more than one workspace, it's up to you if you want to do that. I only have one workspace. Now, I recommend that you go through all the settings to make sure that everything looks okay. For me, I'm going to leave everything defaulted, but I do recommend this multi-provider turn on. So I'm going to turn that on here. And now you could see that this is back. Just like version 8.1, we can configure it. We can come over here. We can choose the connections, and it's back as we remember it with version 8. I'm going to turn on the data feed, and now we're good to go. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Take a look at the courses and software. We do a lot of hand-holding for new traders. This may be a good fit for you, the NInja Trader charting software, along with the DayTradeToWin suite of indicators. Until next time, my name is John Paul. Good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.